Guys, stopped in Columbus, Mississippi this morning. Met Mr. Gadget.
What's up, people?
And what you tell them where we headed today?
We're gonna ride over to Leeds, Alabama, and ride on the Alabama Dragon. It's supposed to be just as good as the tail of the Dragon in Tennessee. We're gonna find out.
So the Alabama Dragon. I had never heard of it till he told me about it, so we're going to check it out today. So y'all will get to see it for the first time with us. Alright guys, here we go. We're going into the Alabama Dragon. This is on Alabama Highway 25, 25 South, just outside of Leeds, Alabama. It's supposed to be a 25-mile stretch of road. We'll see how much memory card I got. Hopefully we'll be able to get the entire stretch of it. About 83 degrees, overcast, a little bit warm, but it's not too bad. Got a little mix of good tight turns, a little bit of straightaways like that right there. Been on this long at all, but I'll go ahead and give this a thumbs up. View right there. gonna be the town of Leeds, Alabama. Oh, several murals back there. It's like a nice little town. All right, you done asked me. I've already told Mr. Gadget my thoughts on the Alabama Dragons. What do you think about it?
Well, you know, it's not as many curves, but I think it lives up to the hype, though.
Yeah.
You know, it's a smaller ride, but, you know, as far as being a good ride, I'd do it again.
So I agree. I told him already that it had some kind of tight curves in it, had some sweeping curves, a few straightaways, and it was pretty nice. So yeah, definitely worth doing. We're fixing to go into Buc-ee's.
So I appreciate you coming doing this ride with me.
Man, yeah, I enjoyed it. Glad you asked me to come.
All right.
Oh.
Let me go catch up with my guys over there.
Yeah, finna go catch up with some of his club members. We're gonna get something to eat in here, and then see what we're gonna do next. Riding back with the Buffalo Soldiers. This is Mr. Gadget's club. We're going to branch off from them about Tuscaloosa, but appreciate y'all for letting me ride with you. Alright guys, that was a good day. Bike is showing 399 miles, so maybe 400 and something by the time we get home. We've got about an hour to get home. But see up ahead, looks like it may get wet. I think I can smell rain. But yes sir, had a good ride today. Thank Mr. Gadget again for inviting me along today. It's a good ride. Enjoyed meeting some of his friends from his chapter of the Buffalo Soldiers. And if y'all ever get into around the Birmingham area, definitely gives Alabama Dragon a try. It was a good road. I enjoyed that. Great day, man. Great day. Y'all get out on your bikes and get some miles on them. Get out and see some of this country, see some of your state. And as always, appreciate everybody watching. Y'all guys stay safe out there, and we'll catch you in the next one.